If ever you've wanted to restrict your search for documents or emails to a particular area of SharePoint, that's either SharePoint Online or on-premises SharePoint Server, this video is for you. The scenarios might be searching for all the policy documents for a customer where each type of policy is stored in a separate document library, or all the invoices for a project where invoices for each year are stored in a separate site, or maybe emails with a certain subject which are stored across a particular site collection in an environment where there are multiple site collections. If these are your requirements, then you should take a look at the MacroView feature called Right-Click Search This Location. Let's see it in action. Here we are in Outlook with the MacroView pane on the right, currently in browse mode. Our Cases and Matters site collection has a number of subsites, each of which relates to a particular client or customer. If we expand the 200 Atlas Funds Management client site, we see that there are 5 project document sets. We want to find all the documents and emails across any of these projects that contain the word SMART. So we can right-click on the client site and choose Search This Location. Doing this switches us into search mode, and we can choose our search panel. For example, to look for all documents containing the word SMART, we click Search and we see the yellow bar tell us that our search scope is restricted to just the Atlas client site. There are 16 results. We can see that they are spread across a number of different project document sets. We can click any one of those results to get a formatted preview, and if we right-click and choose Open File Location, we're jumped into the document set within the Atlas site where that search result is actually stored. Let's go back to the search mode and this time try an email search for all documents addressed to Noel within that same client site. Again, we see the yellow bar tell us that our scope is restricted to just the Atlas site, and we are seeing 19 email results. Again, if we click on one of those, we see a formatted preview, and we're able to right-click and navigate to the document set wherein that particular result is located. Back to search. If we wanted to remove our constraint on scope, that is to search the whole SharePoint Online environment, we simply click Clear. Our search is then re-executed and we find results from every area in our Office 365 tenant. We've used Search This Location to help us find documents and emails stored in SharePoint Online while we've been working in Outlook, but Search This Location is also available while you're working in other applications such as Word, and for documents stored in SharePoint on-premise as well as SharePoint Online. Here's our on-premise SharePoint document store. Let's right-click the ClauseBank site collection and use Search This Location in order to find all documents containing the word status. Again, our yellow bar indicates that our scope is restricted to just the ClauseBank site. 3 documents, and their URLs indicate that they're stored in separate libraries within ClauseBank site collection. This time we're in MacroView DMF Explorer. There's an operations site collection with a client subsite which contains 1,500 sub-subsites. If we right-click on that client's subsite and choose Search This Location, this time to find all documents containing the word Proposal. Again, our yellow bar indicates our restricted scope, and our search results are coming from a variety of libraries across our subsites. For more information about solutions for managing documents and emails in SharePoint, contact MacroView using these details.